In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate square root in Microsoft Excel. We'll start by opening Excel and navigating to any worksheet where you want the result to appear. This can be a new blank sheet or an existing file with numbers already in it. Take a moment to decide where you want your answer to live. Picking a clear destination cell helps keep your sheet organized, especially if you're working with a list of values. You might even add a label in the cell to the left so you'll always remember what the number represents. Excel makes square root simple with a built-in function called SQRT. The SQRT function returns the positive square root of a number. It works with whole numbers and decimals, and it's designed for real non-negative values. If you try to use a negative number, Excel will show a numeric error because the real square root of a negative number doesn't exist without complex math. Keep that in mind if you're pulling values from formulas or imports. Click the cell where you want the square root to appear, then start typing the formula by entering ESOS SQRT. As soon as you type the opening parenthesis, Excel usually displays a quick hint showing the function's expected input. That's just a reminder that the function needs one thing, the number you want the square root of. Now, provide the input. You can type a number directly, like HAL SQRT 144, or you can reference a cell, such as SQRT A2, if the value you want is already on your sheet. Referencing a cell is helpful when the source number might change later because your square root will update automatically. After you enter the number or the cell reference, close the parenthesis and press enter. Excel will instantly calculate the result. For example, SQRT 144 returns 12, and if A2 contains 2.25, then ESQRT A2 returns 1.5. If your result displays more decimal places than you need, that's normal. Excel preserves precision. You can choose to leave it as is for accuracy, or adjust the number format later to show fewer decimals. If you see an error like hatnum, double check that the input isn't negative. If you see hash value, make sure the reference cell contains a valid number and not text. That's all you need to calculate a square root in Excel. Open your sheet, use the SQRT function, type it into the destination cell, then enter a number or reference, close the parentheses, and press enter. With that, you'll have fast, reliable square roots ready for analysis, reporting, or any everyday calculation.